Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you two best methods of preserving your grains from weevil infestation. Grain harvest season is here and you may want to buy your grains in bulk now that they are relatively cheap, so you don't need to worry when their prices escalate later in the year. This method works for grains that easily breed weevil during storage like sorghum, millet, maize, and many more. If this sounds like what you are interested in, then let's get right in. I bought half a bag of black eye white beans. As you can see, the beans is direct from the farm, so I will need to pick all the dirt that come with it. I have two ingredients that I want to use, which is dry pepper and the second one is neem leaves. I got this harvested at my backyard. So I will need to remove the leaves from the stalk. So here comes the two ingredients that I'm going to use. So for the beans, like I said, I will need to winnow it so that anytime I want to use it, it will be easy for me to pick. So this is exactly how they do it, to remove all the dirt, as you can see. I'm just showing you this so that you know how it is done. I will give it to someone right at inside my compound there, who will winnow it for me. So as you can see, it is ready, clean and neater than when it came in. Yes, beautiful. So let's get at work. I'm using 2 kegs. This is 25 liters. The 2 will be enough for me to preserve this half bag of beans. Then here comes my pepper and my neem leaves. The neem leaf is still fresh. I did not dry it. So you can make use of a funnel. For me, I just improvise and use something that looks like a funnel. anything you use, it goes. So as you can see, I easily pour in my beans into the keg. I'll use this first keg for the neem leaf, then the second keg for the pepper. Both of them work perfectly well. I will continue until it is filled up, like you can see. So for the second one, the second keg, I'm going to use the pepper. So I'll pour my pepper into the beans and mix everything up. But the pepper here is much. If you are doing it, you may not use as much pepper as I've used. So, the second keg now. Don't forget to like and share. And let me know in the comment section which of these two methods you prefer. I've been using this pepper method until recently when I discovered the neem leaf method. So I decided to try it and it works. So which one will you be trying? Don't forget to cover it tightly when you are done. So guys, here comes our grains. Thank you for watching.